Hello, welcome to the platform of digital trading. All of you who are new to this platform, you know we are always used to come with some useful subjects, useful knowledge and technical knowledge about forex trading. So today's our topic is on what about 2024. The new year is coming and how it's going to be affect in our trading. You know that year 2024 is really depending on central bank's decision, and throughout the year 2023 the trading was only depending on the interest rate decision which is made by the all countries central bank. So year 24 also is going to be affect with the same purpose, the same way. And how gold is going to be affect with this decision. Before starting, I will going to request you please subscribe this channel, ring the bell icon, so all your view will going to get the latest update, technical knowledge, trainings, predictions in the upcoming videos. We start now that 2024 is a very important year for the move for gold. How? We have already seen that in the last year, which is now nearly going to finish in the year 2003, all central banks have increased their interest rate up to the maximum level. And now I don't think so there's any room for any more increments in the interest rate from any of the country, because they are only already on the peak of their uh, history. If any of the country going to take this risk, there is a huge chance that the recession will hit on their country. So no way any of the interest rate going to be increased in the remaining 15 days, or it's not coming also in the next year also. So what will going to be happen? It means from last two meetings we have already seen that the interest rate already paused by most of the central banks, which includes US, Euro, Australia, Canada, the Swiss franc, and etc. So it means all central bank has a very transparent policy that they are not going to increase any more interest rate in the coming days. So that is quite clear, because now all of the countries and central banks has a position that inflation is under control, and due to the uh, price in oil decrement already decreased up to $72, it means a huge chance can no more inflation going to hit in these countries. So we can't see any more interest rate increase. It means either it going to be paused for a long time, or in the half of the next year or quarter, they all will going to start to cut the rates. Cut means reduce the rate. Once these decisions have we already seen in their press conferences, already Fed Chairman Powell already has given the sign that no more increase. Pause is their priority now. Pause means no more. It means they are going to decrease or cut the interest rate in the coming days. It's a very great signal for the gold movement that no more decrease in gold price. Gold is going to move in the up direction. Why? If you have seen from 1.5 year, already Fed increased the interest rate continuously every quarter, but still gold hold the position, the levels of 1800, 1900. So that much increase in interest rate also didn't affect that much price in gold. So once they are going to pause or cut the interest rate, automatically gold have a one direction which is called on the upside. Why? Because once the central bank is going to reduce the interest rate, people will take their investment back out because no more profit. The interest rates have only chance when you have they are increasing, that people will get more in profit if they will keep the money on their banks. Once they will start cutting the rates, people will take their money out from the bank and they are going to invest in the safe haven, either in the real estate, either in the business, or one of the best safe haven is gold. So in this scenario, any news of cut or pause will give the gold to boost on the up direction. So whatever the levels now it's trading 2000, 2000 or 1900, but I don't think so it's going to be come on the mid of 19 now. Could be come to take the liquidity, but that's reason any dip is buy priority for all the investor. Don't try to be go on sale in gold. See, in forex trading or any of the trading way is only long way, no shortcuts. What who are going to take gambling risk fun technical analysis and these analysis, this is for the short term, and nobody can make the money in the short wave. Only it could be a one hit or two hit in the short term, but if you want to make a money in a consistent manner, then you have to hold and precise the direction on the fundamental basis. And fundamental basis is only is that interest rate. Whatever the labor market news comes from us, whatever the news will come, good news will come from us is not going to increase more any of the interest rate now. It means gold have only one path, which is on the up direction. So all the investor or a trader who believe on fundamentals and the real knowledge of fundamental, they have to go in buy of gold. Any dip, they should think as a positive opportunity to sit down and start buying gold for a long term. Throughout the year 2024, sorry, gold will make the historical highs. No way it's going to touch the bottom now. No way it's going to come towards 1800 or in 1700, but could be 19 mid of 1900 is could be a chance, but I don't think so. If it comes, then it's a huge opportunity for the serious trader who should have to hold the position if any dip is there and make the gold run its bull race. So I hope you understand this session that year 2024 is one of the most important year, and all inflation issues will going to be resolved, all interest rate is going to be resolved, and it's going to be in the decreasing direction. They are going to cut down the rates, all central banks everywhere in the world, and there is a huge chances for the gold to progress very fast. So please try to believe on your fundamentals, concrete knowledge. Don't use only indicators and lines and these MACD and RSIs and these moving averages and those things. There are the secondary things. But until and unless you don't have a very good command around surrounding what's happening to you, you are not going to achieve your desired goals in trading. You can see that China's performance in the business is not very good, and China is one of the most important country who buys oil. There, all the PMIs are not coming good. That's the reason that oil is declining and now reached to 72, which is also a thing that inflation going to be controlled in all the countries. And once inflation is going to be controlled, no way that any country is going to increase more interest rate. They don't want any recession. They don't want more unemployment in their country. Now this is the new year starting with the good news that all the things will go as per our knowledge of fundamentals, that gold is going to be go in a one way direction, that is why anybody who's going to be in a sale position, don't take this risk. This is only a gambling with your investment. You should go any opportunity of you are taking in the dip, you should have to go and buy the gold throughout the year 2024. I hope you understand this session, and I will be come back with the new things, new training sessions, new things very soon with the coming videos. Try to be in touch with digital trading channel, and we'll enjoy the knowledge of forex trading.